Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Discovery Plus website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Click on Sign In to access your account. If you don't have an account, select Start Free Trial to create a new one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name and payment details. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, look for that Activate option on the home screen. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Next, open a new tab and visit the activation page provided. Input the activation code in the designated field on the page. Select Activate to link your device to your Discovery Plus account. Once activation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Return to the Discovery Plus app or website. You can now start browsing and streaming content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.